Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you could quickly make a restore point on your Windows computer using a free tool called Quick Restore Maker 4. So this is an older tool, it's been around for a long time, but it will still work for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, whatever you like. So obviously if you need to make restore points, before installing some software or testing something out, in case you need to roll back, this is just a really quick way to do it. But in order to use this, you're going to have to make sure that your system restore is enabled. So to do that, to check, you can just do a search for system restore and just click on create a restore point. It's not going to create one. And then under system protection, just pick your C drive here, most likely. That's the one you're going to use. Configure, turn it on. Then you could adjust the maximum usage if it's too small or too large. And like that. So now, once you download the executable, just run it, nothing to install, just double click it. And all you have to do is click on restore point, and if you check this box here, it'll add a create restore point to the desktop context menu, which I'll show you in a second. So we'll click on create restore point. Okay, so now if we go back to system restore, and just click on System Restore, you can see we have this QRM restore point that it made with the date and time, and then you could just add more to it as needed, whenever you like, and that type of thing. And so now on that context menu, if you right click on the desktop here, show more options for Windows 11, obviously. You have create restore point there, and if you didn't know, if you hold down shift while right clicking, you could go right to the secondary menu. And there's also a couple of videos we have on how to get rid of this Windows 11 style menu and go back to the Windows 10 single style if you want to check those out. But anyways, you could click on it from there and create a new restore point. And if you want to clear out your restore points, you could just come here and turn this off. Want to configure, disable. It says it's going to delete any restore points and disable you from making new ones. So it's up to you if you want to clear them all out. But like I said, to use this tool, you'll have to have that on, obviously. So I'll put a link in the description where you can download the executable. Then you can just stick it on your desktop or in your taskbar, wherever you like. And then anytime you need to make a restore point, it's just a really quick way to do it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.